Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody fit and finds by the grace of Almighty. Now I am going to teach you how to use concatenate function in Excel sheet. I think this video is very important if you want to improve your Excel skill. So let's get started. How to use concatenate function. First you see, then concatenate, then select, then first one select, then comma, then second one, then first bracket. You see, both name is coming Nazmul Hasan and Mominul Islam. Both are coming cell, one cell. But problem is this point no space is there. I have to add space this position. That's why we need to add inverted comma first, then comma, then again enter. Now you see the space is coming. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe the channel.